What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm a little dark right there, huh? Alrighty, so today is actually a pretty cool day. Today we are actually getting some motorcycles. Vic, Joey, and we just may be getting a third bike just for all of us just to ride it and have fun. And right now we're at the first guy's house. I don't want to kind of show up and start vlogging right away, but this is the first house or the first bike we are looking at. I think we still have 4 other bikes we're going to look at. I think from what Joey's been saying, this is a bike that he is actually looking more into, but we'll see. Kyle is here. Kyle is more of the rider than all of us. He's been riding bikes for 5-6 years, maybe a little longer. He's had multiple bikes. Right now he actually has a 2007 R1. But it's enough blabbering. Let's go check this bike out. That's not bad, dude.
Dude, it's clean.
It's actually really nice.
1,500 miles.
Really?
Yeah, he dailied it for work, but he got bored of it quick, so now he wants something bigger. Yeah, so I'm gonna ride it around, see how it feels.
Cool.
Joey likes it.
Dude, it's nice. It's actually a really nice bike.
Dude, look at the gauge. Oh, you can't really see because of the sun, but it's like an H2. The RPMs light up.
Oh, like even the I think the DX10s do that too.
Yeah,
that's pretty dope.
I'm gonna take it for a spin real quick.
All right, well. Doesn't need an exhauster.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, Vic sit on it?
Yeah, I want to see how big this motherfucker looks. God damn, bro.
What do you think?
Looks like a toy. Joey got his bike already. Smile won't go. It's a dong fang. It's actually
it's really good. Really good for the price. How much you pay for it, Joey?
$2 grand.
2 grand, and wait, it's a 2020, huh?
Yeah.
It only has 1,600 miles on it.
Dude, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, $2,000. That's nice.
Yeah,
man, that guy had some small ass hands. He had some small ass hands, bro. Yeah, they
never
were
soft. Never soft, man.
After this, we're off to go look at another bike for that guy up there.
Yeah.
Hopefully, if it's still there, I'm gonna call him.
Yeah, hopefully. Quick stop.
Great American Outdoor Store.
Oh, I want a black one. This is blue.
I don't know what I want. I just want something. I want to spend money.
I know.
When you're out of town, you gotta spend money when you're out of town. After you, Popo. Thank you. I wanted to put the clip up front so you couldn't walk away. Well, he got us.
The store is so cute.
Marketing.
They got fishes in here.
It's a rainbow trout.
Apparently, I don't know my fish, do you?
Me neither. I don't have a jab.
I know my fit. I know my fit.
Well, he's deformed. His mouth?
He's deformed.
He'll kill it. Still recorded? Get it. Now I'm gonna make a wish.
What?
NBA Youngboy fans making a wish. Yeah, hold me back, Joey. Yeah, hold me back. Motherfucker. I'll eat you. You wanna fuck with this bear? Yeah. Oh, mother.
Oh, dude. Oh, shit.
Catch you on the flip side, okay? Dude, there's no fucking boat. Bass Pro Shops hat, man. They sold out of Bass Pro Shop hats. Man, I'm sad, man. That's the whole reason we came to Phoenix. It's bullshit.
Fuck the bike, man. We're trying to get our money back.
Yeah.
Came here for this.
Man, get the camera. Man, nah, I do what I want, man. It's public property. Yeah, go hide. Go cry. Go cry, you little girl. I got that ugly face.
Hey, we should pull up on the homie right here and be like, yo, what the fuck, bro? We're the best road shots.
Just start scaring the shit out of him. Which one?
The one that's
in the
down.
wheelchair? Yeah. You want to bully the guy in the wheelchair?
Yeah, man. We don't normally bully guys in wheelchairs.
I do, my tata.
Oh yeah, your thought they ain't got no legs.
We're leaving with 2 bikes possibly today. We're actually following the guy right now to his house.
We thought
he was gonna bring the bike to Walgreens where we were at right now. Apparently not.
He was at work.
Yeah, apparently.
He's like, I'm gonna meet you in 5 minutes. Oh, I'm at a customer's house. Give me another 5 minutes. He shows up 15 minutes later.
In his work van.
In his work van, it says, "Follow me."
What is the one you got called?
Dong Fang.
Dong Fang.
We got my fat.
And I don't remember. I don't remember which one's this one's called, but yeah, we'll see.
Takes his door out.
We'll have we'll be leaving home with 2 bikes. Pretty excited. Let's see. We got 2 bikes now.
Yeah, I don't know if you see him in the back.
Yeah, it's a 250 and a 1000. 2021 is not even released, the first one.
Yeah.
I'm already like halfway through 2021. What you talking about?
Original plan was to leave with 2 bikes, but
We
Two
did.
different bikes.
Two different bikes.
Yeah.
Well,
no, one different bike.
Different bike.
Yeah.
One bike.
But we still accomplished the goal.
Both are 2020. Both have super low miles.
I got 2020 Scat, 2020 bike.
Okay, quick flex.
Okay.
Quick flex.
Quick flex.
And a nice little
this
truck.
right here, priceless.
Priceless. I have riding buddies now.
Yeah.
I've been riding alone.
I mean, you could probably only go maybe partial throttle.
Oh, dude.
First gear. You can stay in first gear. That's
Dude, I'm
it.
gonna be so bored riding with you guys. You're gonna be like, man, this is boring. I'm like, let me hit a quick pull real quick, and I'll come back and I'll meet up with you guys again.
I'm still gonna get on 6 with that. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Another flex.
Another bike?
Another flex.
Another
Dude, I mean, I'm not gonna tell you the price, but I spent a pretty penny on that.
We are home. Vic's truck. Right now, Vic and Kyle are actually riding them down the street. Just want to mess with them a little bit, kind of see how they are.
Oh, shit, man.
How is it?
Dude, it rides nice.
Does it?
Yeah. You wanna ride it, Joey? Try. So just kind of let it. Why? So how I learned is let it out slowly, and when you see it start to drop and hear it start to die, that's called the friction zone. That's where you want to start giving it some gas, and it'll start moving.
There you go. There you go. There you go. No, you're actually pretty good.
If you panic, clutch, then brake. Yeah, if you panic, just pull the clutch in and you won't stop. You panicked a little bit, so you let go of the throttle and then picked up the throttle again. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, like that. There you go. There you go.
Let's clutch out and go. Yup.
Oh, Joey.
We forgot to tell you how to stop, Joey.
Oh, dude, I didn't get him wobbling. I was more focused on.
We didn't tell him how to stop. Oh, Vic's got it.
Vic's got it. Yeah, he rides, bro. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, what happened there? Oh.
Quick little stoppie. Yeah.
How is it?
It's dope. I'm ready.
Yeah, you're right here.
Super easy to ride.
Yeah.
That clutch is nothing, bro.
Yeah, the clutch once you get it. That's why the first time I stalled because I couldn't figure it out. You're recording, right?
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right, Gabe's gonna test out Vic's fucking bike.
Put the kickstand down like that. Fix my
Yeah. Oh, you look good. You look good next to that. We got Joey coming up. You got it down now, huh?
The only thing I need help with is steering, man.
Yeah. So you don't
Well,
steer.
I turned it. I can't turn.
You don't steer. You lean.
Yeah.
a lot of
That's the only thing I need to
It's
learn.
all hips.
That's
a lot
all
of
I
it is
need
like
to learn.
this.
That's
Look at all the way down over there.
Yeah.
That's all I need to learn, man.
So turning the handlebars, it doesn't turn for you. What it does, it initiates your lean.
Yeah.
So when you want to turn left,
Don't ever turn the
when you want to turn left, you don't turn the handlebars left. You slightly turn right. That way you stop.
You're really pulling more than anything.
How's your bike?
Dude, that shit's fucking.
It's nice, eh?
I'm already tired of it.
You're what?
He's like, I'm already tired of it. You'll get it.
Let him know, okay?
Let him know who's here.
Yo, this thing is fucking slow.
It's a 125.
Bro, this thing.
It's an oversized Grom, bro.
No, nut.
Oh, okay, Joey. Okay, Joey, shift. Clutch in and then left pedal up.
Alright, so, sorry, I have to vlog off my phone because the camera died, but you literally cannot give us anything.
We've had them for an hour. We took the mufflers off already. And now, this is what we got.
So we straight typed the bike within an hour of ownership.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We got back and we're like, this ain't working. Something's
too
off.
quiet, man.
Something's off. I'm like, let's get the muffler out.
Dude, people gotta hear him coming.
We thought we were gonna have to cut his off, and he's like, all right, can we cut mine off now? Can we cut mine? Dude, that's just funny. Hey, back it out into the road, that way we can rev it up a little more. That way we're not in front of the car.
Well, it's already 8 o'clock, so.
Yeah, but fuck it.
I started my quad at 10 a.m. I mean 10 p.m.
You guys want this hardware?
Yeah, give them the hardware.
Always.
Always.
Are you guys gonna keep the exhaust?
Yes.
Kicking it around.
You got it?
I want to hear what it sounds like when they bust it on the rev match.
Oh yeah. Dude, yours sounds like a quad.
Yeah, yours sounds
Literally.
like a quad.
Oh shit, dude.
Shit, how do we throw?
I thought you caught that gravel.
Oh, they're not that loud. Your bike sounds better.
Yeah. Huh?
Your bike sounds better.
Mine will always sound better. Joey's looks
Looks
like
good.
right out of a dealership.
Gotta ask for his bike, dude. He scored.
I mean, Vic's looks good too.
It needs to be cleaned up.
His is just super dusty and dirty.
You can tell it sat outside for a while.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you get that?
I got that on video.
You got that?
Yeah, that was on video.
Oh, did you get that one?
Are they racing? That's Vic.
Oh, baby.
Oh, Joey stalled.
Yeah.
Dude, it sounds better.
When you're in the tree, it sounds like a 22.
I think Joey stalled.
Said it sounded like a 22.
Alrighty, well, I think that is a wrap today. Long day, very long day. End the day with 2 bikes.
No mufflers.
No mufflers. Pissed off a neighbor already.
Tried blinding us
So,
with her phone flashlight.
I think that's the end of this one. If you guys don't mind, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share. Shut up. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget, don't stop, and keep going. We'll see you guys later.